What's up, guys? Welcome back to Avengers. Today we've got a new office setup and a new car. Check it out.
喧騒まみれこの街の演奏玉たまま一度ついておいで世界中魅了するほどに豪華なジャパン一番ジャンプアラウンさうちらの出番テリヤキボーイズ in the place to be 見せてやろうオリジナル VIP
Many diamonds dangling Bag full of money we strangling Hate me, fry me, bake me, try me All the above cause you can't get in I don't want no problem Because me professional Make you shake your cats Thank you Haters take it personal
Like a Canada 対鉄をネオトークを熱望なっちま前に熱を発散しきちまおうぜ Let's go Let's go ぜひラグラップのラブから Let's go
So, there you have it, guys. That's the new car. It's a 1989 Honda Civic wagon. Two-wheel drive, not four-wheel, because I suck. I meant to get a shot of it, but I forgot to. The thing smokes like a train. I mean, it may as well be a two-stroke. It burns so much oil. So the plan right now is just to rebuild the D15B2 that is in it. Just get it ready for daily driving. We'll also be doing an MPFI swap, just to, you know, it's DPFI right now and it's kind of garbage. So that's about the only thing power add-wise that I'll be doing. Everything else will just be, you know, cosmetic stuff. I might try to help the paint along a little bit, get that paint a little shinier and stuff. But other than that, nothing real crazy. Just looking for a nice, reliable daily driver. So let me know what you guys think about the panty dropper. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Leave a like on the video if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe and also check out my Instagram. Thanks for watching, guys.